HeyWire AI is one of the most exciting AI tools just released, and today I'm diving into 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it. Whether you're new to AI or an experienced marketer looking for the next big thing, this review will cover everything you need to decide if HeyWire AI is right for you. First off, let me just say, this software isn't like other AI tools you've probably tried. It offers a unique combination of features that make it stand out in the crowded AI landscape. And the best part? You can try HeyWire AI completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Now let's talk about why HeyWire AI is getting so much attention. For one, it's designed to be incredibly user-friendly. Unlike other AI tools that might have a steep learning curve, HeyWire AI simplifies the process, allowing even beginners to get up and running quickly, whether you're looking to streamline workflows or enhance customer interactions. This tool delivers with intuitive features and a clean interface. Another key thing you need to know is its ability to integrate seamlessly with your existing tools. For marketers, this is a game changer. Whether you're using email marketing, CRM platforms, or social media management tools, HeyWire AI connects with them effortlessly. It's about making your AI work with what you already have, not forcing you to learn an entirely new system. One of the standout features of HeyWire AI is its advanced conversational abilities. It's built to handle complex dialogues and respond with human-like interactions. If you're managing customer support or looking to create more personalized user experiences, HeyWire AI's conversation capabilities will be a major asset. It's like having a virtual assistant that can understand and respond in natural language, making it feel like real-time communication. The next thing you'll love about HeyWire AI is its versatility. It's not just for businesses, it's great for content creators and anyone looking to automate repetitive tasks. From generating content ideas to crafting copy and even analyzing data, HeyWire AI can save you hours of work. If you're serious about scaling your business or increasing efficiency, this tool is a must-have. Now let's talk about the AI's automation features. With HeyWire AI, you can automate not only routine tasks, but also decision-making processes. It's not just about saving time, it's about being smarter with the way you handle your business. It can analyze customer behaviors, predict trends, and suggest actions that can improve your outcomes. What truly sets HeyWire AI apart from the competition is its data-driven approach. The software doesn't just act based on set rules, it learns from the data you input and continuously improves its performance. This makes it incredibly powerful in identifying areas for growth and optimizing your processes over time. And finally, the thing you need to remember about HeyWire AI is its ongoing development. This isn't a tool that's going to sit on the shelf and stagnate. The team behind it is constantly improving it, adding new features, and making sure it stays relevant in the fast-evolving AI landscape. So if you're looking for an AI tool that's powerful, easy to use, and adaptable to your needs, HeyWire AI is definitely worth checking out. Again, you can try it completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. As someone who's tested thousands of AI tools, I can say with confidence that HeyWire AI stands out. And if you want to explore other top-performing AI software options, I've included my recommended list in the description below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to discover the best tools for your business and marketing needs.